Aquarius, kamusta kayo? Hope you're all doing well. Welcome back to 1111 Pinoy Tarot. This is a general reading, not a one-to-one, so not all of you can resonate. Pwede nyo rin panoorin ang inyong moon, rising, placement, kasi minsan mas nakaka-resonate kayo doon kasi inyong sun sign. Please subscribe, comment, share, and tap the bell, Aquarius. Maraming salamat sa iyo. Let us see what are the messages for you, Aquarius. So we have the new beginning. You will start a new job and life. Clean sweep over. Hit the reset button. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo will be experiencing a new beginning. Okay? Pwedeng sa trabaho or sa personal life ninyo or even in your relationship. Okay? So, mag-uumpisa ulit kayo. Magsisimula ng bagong routine. Okay? Bagong sitwasyon. Bagong trabaho. Moving up. Career is on the rise. New offers and opportunities. Salary increase. Go to the next level. Okay? Ang positive ng energy ninyo, Aquarius, there's a new beginning and then moving up. It's all about career and job. Okay. Someone is up for a promotion or change of department that will give you the opportunity to rise, okay, to elevate and increase your salary and benefits. Money tree. Dreams come true. You will get what you have long desired. Enjoy your wealth. Okay? Yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong gustong mangyari sa inyo. May pinapangarap, may inaantay. So, that dreams, yung inaantay ninyo, will be handed over to you. Okay? You will receive information about that dreams. Connecting to money or your wealth, okay? News or information about improvement regarding your money, okay? Or your dreams about a job, okay? A dream job, a dream location or situation, okay? Just hang on. Keep the faith, Aquarius. Let's see ano yung messages pa from the tarot for Aquarius. For Aquarius people, messages please. Merong fears, yung iba ay nawawala na ng pag-asa. May mga insecurities sa inyong current situation, insecurities in yourself, in your work. Pero hindi kayo nawawala ng pag-asa despite sa nararamdaman ninyo na insecurities and fears, okay? Fear that you will not be able to make it. Pero nagkakaroon ng illumination, okay, kasanagan, nabibigyan ng clarity, paunti-unti ang inyong sitwasyon, okay? You have been very protective of yourself, of your energy, kahit na nahihirapan kayo, but you're not giving up. The moon, the Hierophant. Maybe some of you will be getting an information or advice from a company or organization. Okay? You need to contact or communicate with like-minded people. a group of people, okay, or an association. You need to communicate with them, get some information. Okay. Believe in yourself until you get that contentment, okay, joy and happiness within yourself. Yeah. Kung ano yung pinag-iisipan ninyo, kung ano yung inaantay ninyo, kung ano yung situation na nahihirapan kayo, you will get justice from it. Okay? Magkakaroon ng kasagutan ang inyong mga katanungan, ang inyong fears and insecurities. There will be contentment and joy na mararamdaman, Aquarius. Prepare for this. A change will come. Stability will come. You will get the balance that you need in yourself and in your situation. Let's just this. Yeah, for some of you is suffering, or not really suffering, but nakakaranas ng hindi magandang sitwasyon energetically, financially. You feel that you are not supported. You are confused. It's like you don't know what will happen, okay? May mga naisip kang options, but it seems you don't want to decide, you don't want to face it. Kasaganahan, kasiyahan ay paparating sa inyo, Aquarius. Okay. Money will come to you. Achievement, okay? Some of you makakatanggap ng mga awards, opportunities to increase your wealth, okay? That you will be able to sustain the needs of your family, okay? This is a family, okay? There is material things or abundance surrounding your family, okay? Magkakaroon ka ng pag-asa regarding sa kasaganahan ng inyong sitwasyon or sa trabaho. Yeah, you are moving forward. Okay? So, yung mga negative thoughts, negative situation, you are leaving that behind. You are moving forward to calmer waters. Okay? Magkakaroon ka ng peace of mind, Aquarius. So, yung mga paghihirap ninyo will be worth it. Yung pag-aantay. Okay? Delays. Because some of you nakaka-experience ng delays. When it comes sa trabaho, sa kaperahan, sa promotion. Okay? Delays of getting information. That's why you don't know what to do. You do not want to decide. Okay. Yung iba sa inyo ay father na or tatay, and then you are missing your family, your province. A family member will contact you or communicate with you. Okay. This is a hometown. Missing some friends, communicating with friends. Old friends, okay. Old contacts. There will be a decision to be made regarding a home. From a home in a province or in your hometown. Okay? Believe in the right timing. Be patient. Do not be anxious, Aquarius. Check your emotions. Okay? Yeah. There will be a new exciting opportunity na matatanggap ninyo. You feel like you are a winner. Okay? There is a big opportunity to expand and to grow financially. Be patient. It will come. You are an emotional person, pero tinatago mo lang. You're not showing it to people or to your loved ones. You have plans for yourself and for your family. Someone who is a water sign or merong water element, bibigyan ka ng advice or tutulungan ka sa iyong sitwasyon. Ingatan mo ang inyong sarili, most especially your health, Aquarius. If you need help or advice, you can approach someone or someone will approach you to help you, Aquarius. Okay? There will be a new beginning, happiness, contentment, and joy na paparating sa inyo. Just believe in yourself. Have patience. Believe in the right timing. Okay? Do not be anxious. Okay? So, magkakaroon ng kasagutan, ng justice, ang inyong mga paghihirap or ang inyong yung delays na nangyayari, magkakaroon ng justice. You will be moving forward. Okay? Let's see. Ano pa yung mga messages for you from the number card? Messages for Aquarius, please. Aquarius. 444. If you are seeing number 444, a repeating number of 4, this is the message for you. Trust your journey, trust the way your life unfolds, and trust that you are where you need to be at the present moment. I am protected. Okay, trust your journey, Aquarius. Do not be anxious. Do not rush things. You are where you need to be at the present moment. Okay? Number 14. If you are seeing this number 14, you are open-minded and always up to try something new, yet you are wise enough to stop and think before you jump into things. This pragmatic approach helps ensure your time, attention, and efforts are meaningful. Okay. One more. Number 66. If you are seeing this number 66, your guardian angel is teaching you the essence of unconditional love. You are encouraged to have faith that the universe will provide for you while you are manifesting your inner desires. I am positive. Okay? So these are the messages for you, Aquarius. Do not give up. Okay. So thank you so much for watching. See you on the next video. Bye.